Hi folks, hope you're all well. We have a little parcel here to demonstrate, and I think it's a dehumidifier.
Yeah, I would like to introduce to you most innovative invention of all time. Aromatherapy machine. Why is it called aromatherapy machine? Because you can put essential oil.
Yeah, it's a diffuser machine for aromatherapy. You put all different oils in it, put lavender oil in it, any perfumed oil really, for relaxation, help you sleep, maybe help you breathing if you've got a mental oil in. This one here,
Let's try it. I have some water here.
so the eucalyptus one will probably help you breathe if you've got a cold or blocked up nose at the night time.
The lavender can make you relax.
Yeah. Tea tree is healthy. Sweet orange. Was that sweet orange?
Yeah.
That's sweet orange. That's just a fragrance. And peppermint, another fragrance. And
Lemongrass.
lemongrass, another fragrance. But the eucalyptus, I would think, is it will clear your nose if you've got blocked up nose and help if you've got a cold, because
Yeah.
most of the inhalers and stuff that you buy from the chemist when you've got a cold or blocked up nose, or you have sinus trouble like I have, most of them have got eucalyptus in them. And it clears your head.
You can put this on beside your bed. This is very essential, especially during nighttime. You can also put in your living room, turn it on, and relax. Very nice. If there's no more water in there, it will automatically turn off. So there you go.
Very ingenious. I've just spent the last 2 or 3 minutes trying to work out how to open the box. I've been pushing it that way and that way. I've been pulling it that way, and then I found out that all you have to do is that way. And if you look inside the magic box,
Yes.
there are your essential oils. Which
Very
are-
posh.
Yeah, very, very posh.
And here, there's an USB inside.
Oh, smell that. It smells orange.
Here's the USB.
Cable, USB cable. Just inside the tank, there's a water level line, and you put the water up to that level, and it says there. You probably
Maximum
can't-
line.
You probably can't see it, but it says there maximum line.
Okay.
So that is your level to put your water.
Okay, let's put water.
That's it. There you go. Right, and what we'll do now, we'll plug the plug in. Which will go that way, like that.
You have to have this adapter.
Yeah, you have this adapter, right, which will take it from a normal adapter to a USB. Plug that in there, like that. But it will also work from a USB from a computer. If you just plug it into the computer USB port, it will work that. If you're going to use it during the day while you're on the computer and you want to use it, just plug it in. Of a night time, you will need an adapter to plug in, or one of these things here. Just take that, unplug that quickly and show you. Yeah, there's my adapter, what I have. I can plug in a normal plug, and I've got two USB ports, and that will plug into the main socket. That's there. Somewhere. Can't find the hole. There it is. That'll plug there into the main socket. Then I can plug my normal plug back into that, and the two USBs into there. So I've got two USB ports on that one, which is a boon, because most things now I'll run with the USBs. So anyway, enough chat. I'm going to plug it in,
Yeah.
and watch it work. Here we go. Boom boom.
Okay.
That little clip, that little bleep, I think was a sign that it's working. So if we can,
Okay, let's cover it. So turn it on. And here is the key function. First, click the function button. Turn on
right,
the continuous spray and colorful breathing lamp.
that's on.
The
Yeah.
second click, the breathing lamp is switched to monochrome light. Third click, turn off the light. Switch to spray 30 seconds after the spray. 30 seconds to cycle. Fourth click, shut down in any mode work. Long press can shut down. Let's put diffuser. I will choose peppermint because it's getting cold now.
Peppermint warm you up then? Cold now.
No, it makes me breathe easily.
And all it uses, guys, is H2O, which is water.
Where's the peppermint? Here. How many drops?
You just put a couple of drops in.
I think 2 drops.
Yeah, 2 or 3 drops, depending on how strong you want it.
2 drops.
That's it. We've got 2 drops in there. Put the lid back on, and away we go. Boom, 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 boom.
It depends on you how many drops you want.
Ideal for the bedroom to humidify the air while you're sleeping and give you a
Relaxing
nice relaxing night, nice aroma. You can take it on holiday with you, plug it in anywhere you want. You know, you can plug it into your computer, into your laptop. If you wanted to, you could even put it in the car if you've got a USB port in the car.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Yeah, and especially when you've got a bit of road rage coming on and you're a bit stressed.
Oh, it's also stress therapy.
Yeah. So anyway, yeah, you can take it virtually anywhere. Into the office. You know.
In the living room.
Yep. Living room.
Anywhere.
Anywhere you want.
Most of hotels have already this. But this is cool.
Anyway, guys, you can obtain this this unique little machine. It's called WX107 aromatherapy machine. Well worth looking into, and I think it's well worth buying. Anyway, you can buy this from Amazon, eBay, or many other retail outlets. Just Google it, basically. Yeah.
And look for this picture. This one.
Yeah.
It's changing colors.
Yeah. The light in there is projecting through the vapour. It's not the actual vapour that's changing colour.
It's like an illusion.
It's, yeah, an illusion. Yeah, that's smart. Very smart.
Smells good. I want to sleep now. It's so relaxing.
So anyway, guys, I hope you like it. I mean, we definitely like it.
Yeah.
Would recommend anyone to buy this.
Look at that. It's very strong vapor.
Yeah.
Smells so good too.
Anyway, guys, there we are.
So thank you very much for
Thanks for watching.
watching, and thank you very much for aromatherapy machine.
Yeah. If you're looking for an aromatherapy machine, or you want to try one,
Buy this.
buy that. That is the best one I've seen so far.
You will amaze how beautiful it is with colorful lighting.
Yes. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and enjoy.
Bye.
Bye for now.
Mm.